Now, a court has ordered the Biden administration reinstate the Trump-era asylum policy remain in Mexico after a deal with Mexican authorities, and the program is set to resume next week. It is Tiang Shan has more details.
The Biden administration is going back to a Trump-era immigration policy which it had sought to scrap on its first day in office. The so-called Remain in Mexico policy forced asylum seekers to wait in Mexico for hearings in U.S. immigration court. The policy created tough and dangerous conditions for tens of thousands of migrants camping out on the Mexican side of the border. They also faced legal obstacles, including lack of access to attorneys and case information. But President Biden's attempt to end the policy was blocked by a federal lawsuit from Texas and Missouri. Following intense negotiations between the U.S. and Mexico, the policy will be reinstated as of next week, but this time under different circumstances demanded by Mexico. According to U.S. media citing unnamed U.S. officials, migrants subject to the policy will be vaccinated against COVID-19 before they're sent back to Mexico. The Justice Department is assigning 22 immigration judges to work exclusively on these cases to be resolved within 180 days. U.S. authorities will ask migrants if they fear being returned to Mexico instead of relying on them to raise concerns unprompted. Those expressing fear will be screened and have 24 hours to find an attorney or representative. The Biden administration is also tasked with the safety of migrants as they travel to and from court, including within Mexico, where locations will be determined to provide video and phone access to attorneys in the U.S. Starting Monday, migrants are expected to be returned from San Diego in Southern California, as well as the Texas crossings in El Paso, Laredo, and Brownsville. And for shelters and other organizations helping migrants within its borders, Mexican government said it's seeking money from the U.S. It is Tian Shan, CGTN, Los Angeles.